Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start web development with Mozilla, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Mozilla Developer Network, known as MDN WebDocs. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the site. Look for the Learn section, which provides key resources for new web developers. Start with HTML, the backbone of any web page. Check out the HTML documentation to understand basic tags and structure. Practice by creating a simple HTML file in a text editor. Use tags like HTML, head, body, and P to build your first page. Next, move on to CSS to enhance the styling of your web page. Explore the CSS documentation on MDN to learn about selectors, properties, and layouts. Try adding styles to your HTML file using an embedded or external style sheet. Once comfortable with HTML and CSS, introduce JavaScript for interactive features. Visit the JavaScript section on MDN to grasp core concepts like variables, functions, and events. Create a new script to add functionality to your existing web page. Experiment with simple JavaScript code to see real-time changes. Access the console to test JavaScript code snippets directly. As you progress, delve into web accessibility practices from the MDN resources. Learn how to make your websites usable for everyone. Continue to build projects to apply and reinforce what you've learned. Consider building a personal portfolio as you gain more skills. Join online communities and forums for support and networking. Finally, keep up with new web technologies and trends through MDN and other resources. Remember, web development is a continuously evolving field. Stay curious and keep experimenting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.